like how they put boards on this building over the windows, and they painted them to look like windows. It was built in 1929. As you can see, right there. I don't know why somebody painted it, but they did. And we're in. Doesn't get easier than that, folks. That is one big bathroom exhaust fan. It says toilets on it. Hopefully this goes into the main building. I mean, this is still pretty nice. I'd be surprised if there wasn't someone living in this. Stairs. Here it is.
That's the way out.
We're just taking pictures.
That's pretty good.
Oh, God. I can't.
You just stepped in it.
The life of an explorer. Dude, it reeks so bad.
Finally happened. After years and years of exploring, it happened.
I would kind of like to know where he's at. Even in your own house.
Huh?
Like, he's living there. Why would you...
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Why would you want to defecate where you have to avoid it every single time?
And it's like, unless you're just not much of
He's probably sitting somewhere listening to us talk about his poop right now.
This building has no water. Don't use the restroom.
Oh, he was just following the rules. You can't be mad at him then.
It's locked from the inside on these doors.
This one's not. This one just probably open. Oh, it's probably boarded on the outside. A newer security system, but it's not active.
Yeah, and
Somebody been, yeah.
Didn't work.
Ooh, look, it must have been a Catholic school. Mail room, staff only. Even the mailroom has a bathroom. How tall the ceilings are in here. All this hardwood is so beautiful. And hardwood floors. Don't forget your division tables. this room is nice. Look at this fireplace. For all of the viewers of this channel that always want more footage of the fireplace, you got it. Animals they got. Even a witch and a moon. So it does look like they had plans for this place. Let's see if the panel doors still work. That was cool though. Check out the Eagle. Look at these nice hardwood cabinets. They still have the locks. That's cool. And the chalkboards. I wonder what they use these for. To store stuff in?
I guess. I'm watching story.
The waiting room. Please don't remove anything from this office. Found the principal's office.
Wow, it's really cool in here. Like, if it was possible to sit on any of this stuff.
Oh, you can see all kinds of good stuff from up here. I find it interesting how they cut this to match this curve. Yeah, my hand's all red. It's freezing cold out here. Let's go see if we can find a pool or something. They removed the books from every room except this one. They even left a couple computers. Oh, Macintosh. RGB display. And an LC2. In decent shape. Heading down. So everybody will have to let me know how they like the new GoPro setup. Should be stabilized better. I got it mounted on the top of the DSLR. I'm really happy with it. I hope everybody sees a big improvement. Let me know in the comments if it was worth it. Looks like maybe the library. A decent ladder.
Not a single book left.
No. Man. The book trade. These are cool. They're like windows in a house. Counterbalanced. Definitely cool. Art class. Powder paint. Still no gym?
I mean, it has to be.
There has to be a gym.
There does have to be. I think we missed it.
Let's try to avoid the poop staircase. I don't think this goes down the basement. Found it. Look at these contactors to turn the lights on and stuff up there. The floor is in good shape, except for it's bubbled up here. What's wild is usually it's not small pieces cut. It's usually lengths of wood or boards. And these are actually, look like 2x4s that are actually cut on end, similar to an industrial floor. You can actually see it here. Very interesting. We've got the awards wall. Look at these huge hardwood panel doors. They don't make them like that anymore. Hey, did you see this? It's a projector room. And my guess is they pulled down a screen and they pulled up this. They pulled up the basketball hoop and it was a projector room.
It's strips. I mean, it has cutouts, like projector windows.
But that's it.
There's nothing in there.
How cool would that have been if there was a projector still in it?
I'm just getting the light up to make sure there's no.
You got your hideaway.
What's up?
If I was homeless, that's where I'd live.
It's a nice spot.
You could shut the door and not even know it's there. All the light bulbs still there. Here's the screen that they would pull down when they were gonna show a movie or show a presentation from the projector room over there. That says burn, dye corpses. And you can burn corpses and you can burn and dye. You can't dye a corpse. You can try, but you can't dye a corpse. Unless you mean dye them a color. I mean, you could dye a corpse a color, but I don't know why you would. Does this say boys gym?
I thought I saw some girls' trophies.
Boys gym.
No, this says G. So they must have divided it with that thing and kept them like a Catholic school or something.
Yeah. So it looks like they're gonna turn this into lofts, which would be good. We'll see if it ever happens. It also was classified as a fallout shelter. Drop the gun, pick up the can, stop the madness.
I literally thought you said you saw somebody drop a gun. That's pretty casual.
You're like, why aren't you running? Yeah. So what's that time? We're gonna get out of here. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below if you'd like to see us find more cool schools like this. Dude, what is that smell? Jesus Christ.